In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a payment method to deposit money on your Kraken account. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically what I'm going to show you today is how you can deposit fiat or real cash into Kraken so you can start trading or buying crypto or doing whatever you want. So all you need to do is firstly log into your Kraken account. If you don't have one, you can create one, it's very easy. And after that, go to your profile right here and go to payment methods. So right here you will find different payment methods. So there is instant buy methods and deposit methods. Those ones will be to deposit money on your Kraken account, and you can link either a bank account or a PayPal account. So just click right here. In my case, I only see the PayPal account option, but you might also see a bank account as well. So just click right there and fill in your information. And if you want to set up an instant buy payment method instead, it will be a debit or credit card, or you can also link a bank account to add cash and buy crypto instantly. So this is like doing a normal purchase online where you put your credit card information and you automatically buy whatever you want. So it's the same process. You add a payment method and you can put a credit card if you want to, or you can deposit cash by doing a manual bank transfer. So you can also click that option, and right here just fill in your bank account information, and this way you can deposit any fiat currency you want. So that's it. That's how you can set up a payment method to deposit money on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.